வாழ்வாகுமா? வேரூன்றி நாம் வாழும் மண்ணுக்குள்ள வேறாகினோம் கேட்க யாரும் இல்ல. யாராரோ வந்தார்கள், நம்பிக்கை தந்தார்கள். நாளாகி நாளாகி நாம் தேடுகின்றோம். போராட்டமே வாழ்வாகுமா? போர் மூண்டுதான் தீர்வாகுமா?
Yeah, back in the days when the sun hit soft, every morning started with my father's walk. Riding through the streets with a smile so wide, dreams in his pocket and sweat in his stride. No riches, just a simple roof and a song, but the way he fought life kept us strong. Every coin he made turned into light. Books in my hands, toys at night. I still hear the hum of that cycle wheel, the rhythm of a man who refused to kneel. Every step he took was a promise to keep. A love so deep it carved memories we keep. Then one day we stepped out to the town, came back home and the silence was loud. Father and my sister gone with no sound. Years have passed but they're still not found.
தேடி தேடி காலங்கள் ஓடி ஓடி நித்தம் வாடி போகும் பூவை போலே, வாழை போலே அறுபடும் கூட்டத்திலே பிறந்தது பாவம் என்றால் நியாயமில்லையே. தீர்வொன்று இல்லாமல் போராட்டம் வெல்லாதே. யார் வென்று வந்தாலும் சூதாட்டம் நில்லாதே. தீர்வொன்று இல்லாமல் போராட்டம் வெல்லாதே.
Years kept moving but the pain stayed still. Empty chairs at the table, wounds that won't heal. Their names carved deep in the walls of my mind. Hoping someday truth we will find. Digging through the soil, bones in the ground, echoes of voices that never made a sound. The law looks away but the streets still cry. Every tear we shed, just ask one why. Where is justice for the lives they stole, for the broken dreams, for the shattered souls? No prayer can erase, no time can mend. This story won't stop till the silence ends. We won't fade, we won't be denied. For every name lost, for the tears we've cried. One day this truth will burn through the lies. Where is justice? It's the question that never dies.